In this lecture, we will discuss about the bioinsecticides. What are the bioinsecticides? The word itself indicates the bio means it is where the use of natural organisms or microorganisms or naturally derived biocontrol agents or pests to control the which can eradicate the insects, which is also known as an bioinsecticides. Bioinsecticides are sometimes referred as an biopesticides. Now, what are the work of bioinsecticides? Which types of bioinsecticides are being used in the process which works as an bioinsecticides? Here, the bioinsecticides are also known as an biopesticides. Sometimes it is referred to as an biopesticides. The term biopesticides define as in compounds that are used to manage the agricultural pest. Pest or insects, they can control or manage by the means of a specific biological effects rather than a broader chemical pesticides. Here there is an use of the biocontrol agents or biological any organisms or biological agents which is used to control the agricultural pest. In contrast, here we are using the biocontrol agents or biological pesticides instead of chemical pesticides. It is referred to as products containing biocontrol agents such as natural organisms or substance derived from the natural materials. Here it is referred to as an biocontrol agent or biocontrol agent which are been derived from the natural organisms or the substance such as from which organisms this biocontrol agents are been derived from animals, plants, bacteria and certain minerals which are naturally derived, including their genes or metabolite for the controlling the pest. These are the biocontrol agents from which they are derived from which they are been taken from. Here, according to the AFO definition, the biopesticides includes those biocontrol agents that are passive agents in contrast to the biocontrol agents. Passive means they can affect more than the biocontrol agents that are actively seek out the pest and such as parasitoids, predators and many species of entomopathogenic nematodes. What is meaning of parasitoids? The parasitoids are the insects which can lay the larval stage. They can spend their larval stage on the host and certainly at the end they will cause the death of the host. They lay its larvae on the host and they at the end of that they have to kill the host. This is known as an parasitoids. What are the predators? Predators means the through which they can predate on or through which they can lie on, and many species of entomopathogenic nematodes. What are the entomopathogenic? Here the entomopathogenic has been separated into two words. Entomon means the insect and pathogenic means which can cause disease. Entomopathogenic means the insect causing disease. Nematodes means which includes the worms. They are known as an entomopathogenic nematodes. Now, how many types of bioinsects are being used or biopesticides are being used? There are three types of biopesticides included in this biopesticides classified into the microbial pesticides or entomon pathogens. Second one is an plant incorporated protectants and third one is an biochemical pesticides. One by one we will discuss about all these three types. First one is an microbial pesticides and entomopathogens. Here the pesticides that contain the microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, virus which attack the specific pest species. This specific bacteria, fungi or virus will attack on the specific pest or the species of the pest or entomopathogenic nematodes as an active ingredient. Here this will act as an they will kill the entomopathogenic nematodes which work or which have main role or which play a main role in the attacking or destroying the agricultural products. Although the most agents attack the insect species called an entomopathogens, which refer to as the products referred to as an bioinsecticide. They are also the microorganisms such as an fungi that control the weeds. Here weeds will be referred to as an bioherbicides. Here the second one is an plant incorporated protectants, PIPs. This include the pesticidal substance. Here this will include the pesticidal substance that produce an genetically modified plants or organism, GMOs. Here the main example is an BT cotton. BT cotton is an genetically modified plant through the genetic material that has been incorporated into the plant. These organisms, here we can take the example of an BT cotton, which work as a genetically modified organism which can use to kill the tumor or the virus. Here the third one is an biochemical pesticides. What are the biochemical pesticides? Pesticides based on naturally occurring substance that control the pest by the non-toxic mechanism. Biochemical pesticides means naturally occurring substance which control the pest by the non-toxic mechanisms, in contrast to the chemical pesticides. With the help of the chemical pesticides and with the help of biological substance, they can control the pest and that contain the synthetic molecule that directly kill the pest. Biochemical pesticides fall into the different biological function classes including the pheromones and other semiochemicals, plant extracts, and the natural insect growth regulator. First of all, what are the pheromones? The pheromones are the hormones which works outside the body. Here in the insects, the pheromones works as an to use or to communicate with each other, or the interspecies communication is been used. Here the pheromone in insects works as an, or the work of pheromone in insects is used to communicate with each other. And what are the semiochemicals? Semiochemicals are used for the signaling chemicals. The semiochemical means the signaling chemicals. It is also a part of or the type of an signal pheromones. This pheromones substance can produced by an insect to attract the members of its own species or to communicate within the own species. Or it is also known as an alarm clock. Why alarm clock? Because they can indicate or they can alarm it by that there is a danger present in this area, so they can work as an alarm clock, or they can also work as a natural insect growth regulator. What are the advantages of biopesticides or bioinsecticides? They do not persist long in the environment. They do not persist or stay in long in the environment. The another one, they are effective in the small quantities. Not more quantity or not more amount is being required to work as an or to get effect in the specific area. Safer to the humans and chemicals or animals compared to the synthetic insecticides. They are safer to the humans as well as to animals. They are very specific. Here we have previously mentioned that the specific organisms can act on the specific species of the pest, often affecting only a single species of a insect, have a very specific mode of an action. Now, what are the disadvantages of bioinsecticides or pesticides? Most of the bioinsecticide agents are living organisms. Their success is affected. How their success is affected through, there are these some parameters or these some things that are being affected by the bioinsecticides, such as factors like temperature, pH, moisture, UV, soil conditions, and another microbial competitors present in the environment. To get succeed or to get an positive effect on the pest, they used a specific parameters. They need a specific parameters such as an temperature of the soil, pH of the soil, moisture content, UV radiation. If the UV radiation is not present, then and then only they can affect the pest, soil conditions, and another microbial competitors present in the environment. Slow in action, they are slow in action means a longer time for it to eradicate the pathogens. Here there is then their pathogen or their action is in slow, so they need a longer time to get effect on the pathogens to eradicate pathogens. Here the eradicate word means to destroy the completely pathogens compared to the synthetic pesticides. Synthetic pesticides have more disadvantages than bioinsecticides. They can, while the synthetic pesticides use shorter time or the not shorter time to get the effect, but they can affect the or they can affect the destroy the soil moisture content or the soil content. This is all for the advantages, types, disadvantages of the bioinsecticides.